Today I'm going to explain you everything about supply and demand. First we will learn about bellies and peaks, then we will learn about continuation patterns or CPs. A belly is a B shape and it has two variations. The first one is drop, rally, and then we have another one is a drop, base, and rally. Base means some small candles. As you can see here, drop, base, rally, and drop and rally. So these are the two variations of a belly. Now we will learn about peak. A peak is an inverted B shape, rally, drop, and rally, base, drop. As you can see here, rally, base, drop, and rally, drop. Now we will learn about continuation pattern. Continuation pattern is something like that. Market goes up, and a pause. And then market goes up again. Market goes down, and a pause. Then market goes down again. Here are the perfect examples of CPs. As you can see, market going up, and we have a pause, and then market going up again. So this is a CP. And for the downtrending market, we have market going down, then we have a pause. Does not matter which color these small candles are, but they are small candles, and then market falling again. So these two are CPs. Now we will practice what we just learned. We will identify some bellies and peaks. For example, this one here, this is a belly, this is a peak. This is a belly, this is a peak, 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 this is a belly, and this is a peak. And then we have this one, a belly. Now we will identify some continuation pattern or CPs. For example, this one here is a rally, then we have a base, and then we have a rally. So this is a CP here. Then we have rally, and we have a base, and then we do have a rally again, and then again here we have a drop, base, and then we have a drop. So these are CPs. Now we will learn about ESC candles. ESC stands for extended range candle. These are long candles with long candlestick bodies and closing at about 80% of its candle range. In simple terms, any big candle in the chart with very small wick or no wick is called ESC candles. For example, these four candles here are perfect examples of bullish candles, and these four candles here are perfect examples of bearish ESC candles. Now we will get back to the chart and find out some ESC candles. Let's find out some ESC candles in this chart here. For example, this candle here, this is an ESC candle. This candle here is an ESC candle. This candle, and this candle also ESC candle. Okay, now we have this candle here, ESC candle. This one is an ESC, this one is an ESC, and here, and that one, and we have this one as well, and we have this one as well. We have this one, ESC candle. Yeah, I think you have understood what is an ESC candle from this chart. Now we are going to learn about corrective moves and impulsive moves. Just look at this chart here. This is a perfect example of corrective moves. these are small candles, and where they move they don't have that much strength, you know, they are consolidating all the time. So this is the best example of corrective moves. You know, corrective moves actually consist of small candles and they are consolidating. And here we have examples of impulsive moves. Most of the impulsive moves we will be looking for, they will be made of ESC candles, but some of the moves will be like this. They are not ESC, but you will be able to see momentum in the candles. Now I will get back to the chart and find out some impulsive moves and some corrective moves. Look at this chart here. Let's find out the corrective moves first. See here, this area here, they are corrective moves. This area here, there are corrective moves, and all these move here, they were corrective moves. And then suddenly we have impulsive moves. This one, this is made of ERC. This candle here is made of ERC, so there was an impulsive move. And then we have again corrective moves. Can you see that there were many candles, but then suddenly we have an impulsive move, right? This candle here, I'll just clean it. This candle here, there was an impulsive move, and then we have again some corrective moves. Another impulsive move, there was 3 ESC candles back to back, number 1 here, number 2 here, number 3 here. But you can ask me about the second candle. Was it an ESC candle? No, there was not an ESC candle, but can you see the momentum in this candle? So we will be counting it as an ESC candle or a momentum candle. And then we have another move, you know, impulsive move that was here, began here, and back to back 3 ESC candles. And then we have a lot of small candles just right here. They are just part of corrective moves. Now we will learn what is an order block. An order block is an area where there has been a large concentration of limit orders waiting to be executed. Order blocks are identified on a chart by observing previous price action and looking for areas where the price experienced significant movement or sudden change in direction. Now let's get some example of an order block. Look at this 4-hour gold chart. If we are about to find some order blocks in this chart here, what will we draw? Let's see. First of all, we will draw this one here. There was a CP. Then we will draw this one here. There was also a CP. But now you can ask me why I didn't draw this order block here or this order block here, why I didn't draw this order block here, why I didn't draw this order block here, or this order block here, or this order block here. First of all, I drew this order block that because this CP here, they made a higher high, and can you see the move was so strong. This order block here, I didn't draw because market was in uptrend, so we are not drawing the downtrend order block. This order block here didn't make the higher high. That's why I didn't draw this order block. And again, this order block here, the market was in uptrend, so we are not drawing bearish order blocks. And this order block here, the move was not so strong and it didn't make a higher high, so there was no way I'm going to draw this order block. And this order block here, actually the move was so strong, but the problem was if this move actually taken out that move here, then I would probably draw this order block. But then I drew this order block here because this order block actually taken out all these previous highs. So that's why I have drawn this one. And this order block I didn't draw because I checked the higher time frame chart and the market was actually in a higher time frame supply area right here. That's why I didn't draw this order block, because it could be too risky to, because it price actually touched the weekly supply area. That's why I didn't draw this one. In this video today, we have learned about bellies and peaks. We have learned about CPs or continuation pattern, ESC candle. We have learned about corrective moves and impulsive moves. We have learned about momentum candle, and we have learned about order blocks. I'm about to end the video. If you like the video, please remember to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to make many more videos because it's not possible for me to explain you everything in one video. I'll have to make at least 50 or 60 videos before I will be able to make you understand how does it look like, how can you become a successful forex trader using supply and demand. Whatever I'm teaching you here is based on original supply and demand trading. I'm not an ICT or a smart money trader. I am just using the original supply and demand strategy, and that's what I have been always using. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye.